previously on. We're just gonna look for drive now and head into Montego Bay. So when we get there, Gideon, say hi to the vlog.
What sound does the horse make?
Me, but every time I come to Marlon's house in Jamaica, right? Okay, so he has these little cousins that I was telling you guys about last night. Nadine, his other cousin's kids, right? So like when I came here like a couple years ago for the first time, like her two youngest sons, Javier and Tyrese, oh my god, like they followed me around everywhere. Like as soon as they got up, they were in my room, like at my door, waiting for me to come out. If Marlon came up first, they were like, where is she? They would go in and wait at the side of the bed for me to wake up. It was so cute. Right? So just now we're not in the house, we're downstairs. So they just came and they were all like, Zoe, where are you? And Sari's here too. So she's like, Zoe, where's Zoe? So Anton, Marlon's little brother, came running and he was like, did you guys knock? So I'm like, yes, you guys. They're like, we want to show you our games. They're like, we want to show you our games. You know, when I went upstairs today to drink tea, the baby, because Nadine just had a baby like a year ago, so he's like a year old now. He was on my lap. Sorry, was on my lap. The other two were just around. I'm like, it's so funny. I'm telling you guys, I'm gonna vlog it. But I just have to tell you guys ahead of time. It's so cute. I love these kids. I swear. I don't know. They're like a magnet to me. So yeah. Anyways, I'm gonna go get ready like I said I was, and I'll be back because Marlon needs to go in town to go handle some stuff. He told me that he needs me to come with him, and so yeah, I'm gonna get ready, and yeah, I went upstairs like this. Anything? So I'm gonna slap back on that weekday. Anyways, I want to be right back because my mother-in-law said she wants to come down here and fix up the place. So you gotta let her do what she wants to do. That was a gift from my uncle-in-law. So funny.
Anyways, bye. Driving today.
Oh God, man, you know, people just me half cat window. Oh, God. Me hardly get chauffeur driving now, Dan.
Love it, man. Love it, man. Get chauffeur driving.
Oh God, man, it's too early saying every day, maybe, so I get it feels nice. Yeah, man, they're nice. And they put on really lot of place, you know.
Nice, man. Huh? Nice, you live. That one, man.
Nice. Who don't realize now you not get fucked tomorrow?
Holy fuck. Just one ready to run the dog.
From morning you stay, so. And from morning I come up to you stay, so.
Wow.
Oh. Everybody now get you because some of them are here, then wait till them hours have to come to them and see here. Them are there.
But I'm going to grab your phone.
They not grab you, man.
What about that, man?
You're always wishing some bad shit on me, eh? You stay there.
Last year I said the government have to give them 2 more weeks, you know. Yes, the money making, you know, man. This is a government that.
What one them knows now, they have a road now.
Oh, God.
Yeah, man,
I'm on still not coming to
I'm in Mandeville. I guess this is like Mandeville town, square, center, whatever, where everything in Mandeville, I guess, links up. So yeah, I'm really wanting to go to Tasty's right now and get a cheese patty, but we'll see what BAE says. Yeah, we're just at the bank doing some transactions and ting. Yeah. Oh, that's Pink's Fabrics. I always hear about Pink's and things. What else is here that I'm familiar with? Oh, ill juicy beef. I hate that. Yeah, that's about it. So yeah, we're doing right now. Like I said, we're just at the bank and we're gonna go move. We're going to St. Elizabeth to. They gotta re-up on their stuff, and then I guess we're gonna go back home after that. And then I don't know what's happening later on, but probably more people are gonna come by to the house again. And then yeah, because tomorrow I set up, but you know, leading up to that, people are still gonna be there. So yeah, I love these glasses. It's so hot. But anyways, bye. People are watching me.
Come up here, you know?
Huh?
Yep.
Come up here.
Is that a place?
Yeah, like that district.
Oh.
I'm place when so it's going to deliver gas.
Now on.
View is so pretty, like. Right? And him not moving now? Him get the one in and him not moving. Still better. This girl clearly does not like Marlon. Yo, look at him, yo. You see how it's stretching its head? Yo, I'm recording this. This shit is too funny. He's like, what the fuck are you doing here? Bye.
You take a picture and send him, and he say, yo, bring up some now. He say, you think you're 20 little dime bag.
Say hi. Hi. Say hi. Sean, say hi. Well, you guys can. Oh, yes, you can see me. So, yeah. Wait, what day is it? Friday? No. Okay, yeah. Well, it was Friday, April 1st. Now it's Saturday, April 2nd. And I'm outside. What? Oh, you're so black. I'm sorry. It's the twins' parents. Oh. Parents. Parents. Over there. But, yeah, we there set up. And thing it all gone good. The band play. Oh my god, I wish I could show you guys these people that are dancing. Oh my god, so freaking hilarious. So freaking hilarious. But maybe me catch it later on. But as of right now, I'll go and finish my corned beef sandwich, my bully beef sandwich them, and I will link up with you guys later, okay? Okay, bye. Yo, I had to this was like the last. Okay, the shit I went through for this.
Redemption story. We're gonna walk those streets of glory by and by. We're gonna walk those streets of glory by and by and by. We're gonna walk those streets of glory by and by and by. We're gonna walk those streets of glory.
So we're at the funeral. We're at Mr. Richard's funeral. And I'm in the car with Shawnee and Lonnie. Lonnie, where are they? Hi. And Ting. Ting. Behave yourself. Lonnie, you want to say hi? You want to say hi to the vlog? Say hi. Say hi. Look. Say hi. Look now. Say hi. What's up, guys? So I'm home at Mars' house. Well, not his house, but yeah. Yeah, I think this lipstick just makes me look really fleeky all the time. And as you can see, my eyelash is coming off. I'm gonna put it back on because I didn't take a picture with Mar yet. So I'm gonna put that back on. But anyways, yeah, we're home from the funeral. Well, I'm home. Ellen is somewhere out and about. I'm so tired, but I'm glad that the worst part is over. It was a beautiful service, like beautiful service. And he was put to rest right beside his wife. Like, that is so sick. Like, oh. I mean, I know people do that, but like, it's rare that you hear like that stuff like happening anymore. Like, now.
Come on. Come on. Yeah! Come
come out. No, 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 not eat.
Minamo? That is not even how it goes.
That is
Yeah, eat. Yeah, eat. Aji wa ima eat. Yeah, ima eat. No, je, ima eat. Ima eat. Mina play. No, mina hide.
You know some good thing. Party, let me tell you something. When he's stubborn pan Zoe, he's spelling his name.
Really?
He's stubborn, I don't know why. He no matter what him spelling name like you know connect it. Just watching. But you see, he can say days of the week good, he can say ABC good, he can say months of the year, he can count good. And no, so he can, but I don't know what make him stubborn with the name, so he's spelling.